Removing CX7 assembly. Remove the top cover. Disconnect the cables that are connected to the CX7 carrier board and the CX7 MES board.
To disconnect the OSFP network cables, lift them to an angle of approximately 45 degrees and then pull them out.
Loosen the thumb screw that secures the CX7 assembly to the front drive tray. Rotate the CX7 carrier board handle toward the interposer card. Press down the rubber on the CX7 carrier board handle so that the rubber is located underneath the front drive tray handle. Release the two retention clips from the slots on the interposer card and then rotate the CX7 carrier board handle toward the center of the server. Slide the CX7 assembly backward toward the center of the server until it stops, and then lift the CX7 assembly out of the chassis using the touch points.